Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we doing today? We are frying pop-off. Yes, I'm using self-rising flour. Then I will add all the things I wanted to add. So I'm adding nutmeg, I'm adding yeast powder. I use the dry one. So I'm adding vanilla flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. I'm adding sugar, yes, and a bit of salt. Then we mix everything together with warm water, and we cover it and leave it to rise for some minutes before we start frying. We are using vegetable in this video, vegetable oil. Some people use different type of oil, but I love using vegetable oil. Yes, and we're going to get our pan ready for frying once it has rise. So let's check it has rise. So let's ready for frying. So this is my vegetable oil. So please guys, comment on my page, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Your subscription, your comments keep me going. Yes, I love puff puff. Yes, I could remember when I was young, I used to eat my puff puff with sugar. Thank you guys, bye.